In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text animations in Framer. Framer makes this process really simple because you can create polished text animations using the built-in effects panel without writing any code. This is a great option if you want to animate words or letters when a page loads, when someone scrolls, or when they interact with your design. To get started, open your page in Framer so you're working inside the project where you want the animation to appear. Once you're in Framer, click directly on the text layer you want to animate. Make sure you've selected the actual text element because the animation settings will apply to whatever layer is currently active. With the text selected, move over to the right-hand panel and click Effects. From there, add a new effect and choose Appear. This is the effect that gives you a quick, clean entrance animation for your text, and it's one of the easiest ways to make headings and copy feel more dynamic. After selecting Appear, set the trigger to Layer in View. That means the animation will play when the text enters the visible area of the screen, which works especially well for scroll-based page sections. It helps make your content feel more interactive and a little more intentional as visitors move through the page. Next, choose a preset for the animation style. You can go with something like fade, slide, or scale, depending on the look you want. Fade is usually subtle and clean, slide adds a bit more movement, and scale can make the text feel more energetic. Finally, fine-tune the animation by adjusting settings like direction, speed, and delay. For example, if you're using slide, you might have the text move upward from the bottom. Speed controls how quickly the animation happens, while delay helps you time it more precisely. Small adjustments here can make a big difference, so preview the result and refine it until it feels smooth and natural.